Hey guys, just doing a quick video kind of showing the stuff I did today, the modifications to the trailer. I made a prior video with showing how I installed this trimmer rack I got off Amazon. I made a video showing how I secured it to the round tubes on the trailer. So I got the edger up top and two trimmers. I did another video showing how I mounted this heads trimmer to the front of the trailer there. And what I did today was I built this little platform in the front part of the trailer where you typically put a trailer box, a tongue box. So I have a little strap here, bungee cord to secure my my 5-gallon non-ethanol gas for the mower. I just mounted some little metal brackets there that I found in my junk drawer. Put a couple on each side. That way you can hook the bungee in and it's not going to pop off if you hit a bump or something like that. Then I got my little small 2-stroke 50-to-1 gas mix right there behind it. I had enough room for the blower, so I put that behind the gas cans. I have the blower nozzle secured with a bungee cord. And then I have a ratchet strap just lightly holding down the blower so it doesn't bounce around when I'm hitting bumps and whatnot. I got this spare tire and the cover and the mount off Amazon. I didn't have to custom do anything to get the mount to fit on this trailer. I bolted right on, and then I got the cover for the tire as well, because you don't want to blow a trailer tire and get stuck on the side of the interstate. Anything that happens, you should be able to do it and fix it yourself, because it's going to save you money and time.